All the conditions in the ocean, the atmosphere were there for Ian to intensify very fast and become this monster storm that it did. The ocean was very warm. The atmosphere was just ripe for such a storm to happen. And the National Hurricane Center started making forecasts that would be rapid intensification days before it actually happened. And that's a rare, because rapid intensification is a very difficult forecast. So they were so confident that the conditions were such for the storm to intensify so rapidly and to become an intense storm that they were doing that many days before the storm even became a hurricane.
I want to underscore what you just said there, which is there's the overall power of the storm. There's also the rapid pace at which it intensifies. When you think about that in the context of governments, city governments, state governments needing to make preparations, if we know that storms like Ian are here to stay, what does that mean for our ability to prepare for future storms?
If you look at the forecast, they were saying, they're showing very clear the region that would be affected. So I think we had enough warning, but still it's a huge amount of water through the rainfall. The storm surge was coming. So I don't think people were prepared for what was coming. When we talk about 12-feet storm surge, it's even hard to visualize what kind of storm surge you're dealing with. And that's what we're expecting with climate change. That's what I've been saying for a long time, that with the warmer world, we are going to have more intense storms. They're going to intensify rapidly. They have more rainfall associated with them. And the storm surge is related to the size and to the strength of the storm. So in the case of Florida, that also has this very shallow ocean on the west side, that also contributes to have higher storm surge. So all the elements that we have been saying for a long time that are associated with the impact of climate change on hurricanes were there for Hurricane Ian.